Good morning, guys. Good morning. Hello. Hello. How are you guys? How's your morning? How's your yesterday PM session? Amazing? Oh, that's great. That's amazing, guys. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Today is the day where I need to turn off my fan first. Then I'm going to do giveaway today. 50K take profit traders accounts, evaluation accounts with no activation fee. So once you pass this deferably for 1 month, it can be funded with no activation fee. This means it's completely free. 10 accounts for giveaway today. 10 accounts for giveaway today, guys. That's a lot. So we'll see how it goes. But I hope 2-step. No, it's just 1-step pass and get funded. So also nice thing about take profit traders, they have daily payouts. Once you can build your buffer, you can take payouts every day. So this means I'm going to give you access, 3 months access. So for 1 month, it's going to be free access completely. So highly recommend to pass this 50K accounts for 1 month. 4 months. And once you pass this, you don't need to pay any activation fee. It's going to be completely free. So you passed, you sign contract, and that's it. Free. Yeah, I hope everyone can benefit from this. Let's see how it goes. Personally trade take profit trader every single day. Absolutely in love with this. That's why I want to do giveaway of take profit trader as well. Okay. What is going on market today? You know what is annoying? And yesterday we respected this box. That box we discussed before, which was unbalanced part of our fair value gap, remember? And the only problem was it took so much time to reverse to 10 AM open on both yes and Q. I guess Asia kill zone only delivered us to 10 AM open, which is crazy, seriously. So yeah, it was annoying. It was extremely slow with low volume. So I did not take any trades on my funded accounts, only personal account trade. I longed yesterday on personal account and did not take any trades on funded once again. And as I discussed yesterday, because I was looking for long yesterday to 10 AM open, ES was flat candle. I was like, no way we will not reverse to that level. And I tried, but could be better. Honestly, I already got pre-market trade. It was short on gold. It was like 1 hour ago. So I took short on gold at 8:30 AM. So my trade was based on 5-minute order block, 3-minute order block. So I entered around 8:27, 8:30. So it was 1 hour ago. And I was aiming for sell side liquidity levels or $15. So I don't know why, but I like to aim for $15 profit on gold. I just prefer to do this. Traded with 6 micros. Entered. I was, you know how it happened. I was analyzing NQ, then decided to switch. Maybe CL will offer something. I was nope. Maybe silver will offer something. I was nope. It's ugly chart right now. When I was gold. We got for sweep. Amazing. We got 30 and 1 hour sweep right here. Let's try to short from order block. And yeah, I took this short. Can't complain about profit, so took $15. Profit on gold. I wasn't extremely bearish, but I saw bearish setup, which was 99% it should play out, and I was okay, I will try. So try this. But idea, once again, exactly what we discussed before. We got what before for our sweep, and just looking on silver at this point, it was pretty much SMT, right? It was pretty much SMT right here. And since silver was more bullish than gold, I was maybe I will try risking like maybe $400 on this trade. Because if I'm going to be wrong, then like it's going to be strange because gold doesn't want to tell me long at all. And what I saw, once again, we got SMT. So hard to call this like perfect SMT. It was SMT, not perfect SMT. So we got 4-hour sweep. Then I was switching on 1-hour chart just to confirm this 4-hour sweep by 1-hour sweep right here. And then I switch on 30-minute chart. We got exactly the same sweep right here. So my idea was to look set up at this candle right here, at this candle right here. And I highlighted this. Oh, you cannot see this. I highlighted this order block on 3-minute chart right here. So basically 2 up-close candles. And as you can see, price at 827 retraced to this order block. And this at the same time, it created 5-minute order block. So I was trying to short right here, added some like one more contract right here, and my stop loss was a 50% of this order block. So basically, I didn't want to see price breaking above 50% of this order block, and tried. Like targets was, let me delete this dotted line right here. Target was liquidity level right here. So I anticipate to get just like minor market maker sell model. In reality, it went even lower. And here is execution. So once again, it's 1-minute chart. And if I'm going to open 5-minute chart, I will show you what I used. Like 5-minute order block confirmed, retested. Right here, I added, like entered twice. And just look. What about today? This trade was taken like 1 hour ago. It's today's trade. Talking about NQ, yes. Just looking at our chart right now, it's bullish right now. And my anticipation at this point is to see what I want to see. Price breaking below Asia low, holding this 1-hour inversion for a while gap long to new week opening gap. It was my initial plan, but looks like price doesn't want to retrace at all. So in order to be bearish for me, because seems like market maker sell model around like first stage of accumulation, in order to be bearish to me, I need to see a break below 1-hour inversion for a value gap. Because even if, like, let's say price wants to retrace to Asia low, at this point, it's still part of first stage of accumulation, in my opinion. So even if price wants to offer a move like this, for some reason I feel like we need to go higher, unless price breaks below 1-hour inversion, and I will take my words back, and it's going to be bearish. Yeah, London high like first TP, exactly. What do you think about this, guys? Makes sense? Because maybe I'm blind, but I cannot see any signs of bearish setup yet. You don't want to expect another turtle soup? Yeah, totally possible. So I'm not going to argue about this. Totally possible. But just wants to see the test of New York midnight open and Asia low. Yeah, too long. Which, like 1 hour ago, made sense to me. Then I just pumped to. It's about to take London high, unfortunately. Why unfortunately? Because I want to see like, who cares what I want to see, but I'm going to share with you. I want to see like Asia low taken, 5-minute order block, I'm long to London high and weekly open, everyone is happy. But in reality, they just pump right here. So let's see what market wants to offer right at the open. Giveaway will start at 10:30 today. At 10:30. Why are you basically so hard to it's 1 hour chart. Hard to explain why I would like to use inversion for a while gap, because for some reason I feel like, maybe I'm wrong, best sign of smart money reversal can be like combination of inversion for a value gap and change in the state of delivery. So I don't trade fair value gaps, so I don't want to say like fair value gaps don't work or something like this, because it's not true. But what I found for me, what works for me, is combination of change in the state of delivery order block and inversion for value gaps trying to give me stronger confirmation that, yeah, it's potential smart money reversal. That's why I would like to see inversion for a value gap holds to continue going higher, because seems like market maker buy model right now. And what I see so far, low resistance right here. So we will see once again. We will see, not going to predict right now something. So we're still trying to hold this floor for a value gap. Just what I see so far, I don't want to be bearish just for now. If I'm wrong, then I'm wrong. Like, it's okay, who cares? But for now, I'm more bullish than bearish. At least nothing invalidates this yet. Maybe it will invalidate the idea, like right at the open, it wants to just offer free default to 1 hour inversion for a value gap and break below this level, which is also possible. But for now, nope. No interest in this yet. So this vertical lines is period separator. So to see a new hourly candle. Okay, let's see what is going on these weeks. Price offered right here, immediate rebalance, right? So basically prevented formation of fair value gap, right? Right here as well. So also the test of order block. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. But cannot be bearish just for now. If you look for short right now, you can explain why you want to look for short. What's the reason behind this? So I will be happy to see and hear this. Because maybe I don't see something, just hard to say from what level we can reverse. I mean, for our fair value gap can be point of reversal. We will find out at 10 a.m. if it's going to be inversion. But because if it's inversion, like game over, it will go higher. Now, maybe. So we will see. Yeah, you just said that. Okay. So I will start giveaway at 10:30 a.m. today. Yeah, we will confirm once market opens, exactly so. SMT at London high is changing the state of delivery order block to short. Short where? To Asia low? We will see. Even this one, that's free indicator I'm going to share with you while we are waiting for market open. I need to update this, but overall, that's free indicator. You can add to your chart. Change the colors if you don't like red color right here, and that's it. Yeah, one account. So only one entry, one account for winner. Exactly. So we have medium pack news at 10. Okay. Why didn't I see this before? Give me 1 second. I see this. See this now. Imagine 10. If you want to 10 accounts, that's perfect. But Take Profit Trader allows only 5 funded accounts. I personally have only 3 accounts. I don't know why, but 3 accounts for me. 150K accounts. Basically, changing the state of delivery creates real order block. It's the same things. So, like, not order block and change in the state of delivery. Change in the state of delivery is real order block. Did you test new high time frame? He created new indicator? No, I didn't know this. Interesting. What's the difference between this indicator? Best one. Oh, that's interesting. I didn't know about this. How can I check this? I will check after stream then. Give me the name, please, for this indicator. Who can tell us what is immediate rebalance? Who knows? Who knows the answer? What is immediate rebalance? Does anyone know? Please type it in English. Yeah, basically when for market trying to prevent formation of imbalance. So right here, when this candle only was trying to form, so we got open, and without this wick, we could create fair value gap, like potential fair value gap. But we always want to see price trying to prevent formation of imbalance, and price prevented formation of imbalance, creating this immediate rebalance. So basically immediate balance of this part right here, no fair value gap. Hope this makes sense. So London high failed to be taken on both ES and Q so far. Let's see what will happen next. Because once again, my original plan was to see Asia low, but we will see. Exactly, we can say that imbalance, potential imbalance, that's important to say. Potential imbalance get immediately rebalanced. Exactly. That's right. I'm perfect today, guys. Thank you for asking. So it's about to create equal lows right here. We got sweep right here so far. Potential sweep, not sweep as well. So I already sent indicator for this. You can use this indicator. That's free indicator. Just add this to your chart. And in settings, you can just pick how many candles you would like to see. For example, for high time frame candle 1, I would like to see 5 candles, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hour. But you can pick any you like. So not trades in Q today. I only shorted gold today. 2%. Give me 1 second. I was trying to create one. I can share with you if you want. So basically 2% is right here. I mean, not perfect, so I'm not a perfect coder. So yeah, I have this. Let me see if I can share this somehow. You can try to add this. So you can just highlight 2%, 7%. I mean, any levels you like. For example, 5%, 7%. 7% is good for take profit trade on in Epics. 2% top step. Right? So send it indicator in the chat, guys. So market opened right now. We got, looks like we're about to get liquidity sweep. Not yet. 5% for my fund teachers, exactly. So I already took the short on gold at 8:30 a.m. I just showed executions, can show this again. Just like $15 trade. I was aiming for like short right here to the sell side liquidity. That was my target. Sell side liquidity right here. Like quick $15 trade, so I'm not going to complain about this. So I saw setup, I entered, that's it. Just in my opinion, it looked like bearish move on gold. Still looks like bearish in my opinion. See, we got four. I mean, I don't really mind to see lower on gold. And if it wants to drop to 34.24, I would like to see a drop somewhere right here. So it seems like market maker sell model, right, with second stage of redistribution right here. That's what I see so far. When I was trying to analyze like potential SMT between gold and silver, silver was bullish. I was like, not in sync. That's strange to see. That's strange to see. But as you can see, extremely choppy chart on silver, so hard to find entry or something like this, because once again, we got sweep right here. Seems like not in sync at all. But if I could send gold slightly lower, I would do this to the sell side liquidity. If it wants to offer another opportunity to enter, I don't really mind. So let's talk about this on gold. So this fair value gap is the last and literally last chance to drop for gold. And if it wants to drop from this 15-minute fair value gap, so yeah, it must hold this fair value gap to drop all the way down to 34.24. What do you think about this? So basically short from fair value gap right here. What do you think? Nothing invalidates this, seems like, right? What can invalidate this idea? We need some sort of change in the state of delivery to consider potential reversal to upside. Like $20 away from sell side liquidity that I'm looking at right now. Guys, what do you think about gold short? I know lots of people trade gold, that's why I'm trying to ask your opinion about this, because I shorted like first move down right here. I like this fair value gap, not going to lie. I like this fair value gap with a sweep right here. Oh, you took the short. Oh, that's amazing. What is your target? You're trying to aim for sell side liquidity, right? Or what level? Like partial right here, but target is right here, right? Oh, you try. Let's analyze CL as well. Like, give me 1 second. Or just 2R. Okay, that's actually a good point. So I'm looking for gold still lower. Once again, nothing invalidates this yet. Let's talk about CL because I'm just looking at MMXM chart right now. 1 minute chart looks absolutely ugly. What do you see on CL? Because it looks kind of strange right now. I was looking like, we got equal highs right here. And if I want to look for long, price must stay above 50% of previous candle. So basically we got order block right here. And yeah, I was looking equal highs. If price wants to go like higher, I would like to respect this area right here, not lower. You're looking for entry at this fair value gap. What other confirmation you would like to use at this point? You trading in Q right now? I mean, let's talk about CL real quick. Maybe we'll find setup just another instrument. Let's talk about CL. Why you want to use 1 hour fair value gap? I'm not saying it's wrong, just I would like to see you support your idea. If you can, of course. Can you support your idea? Why long from this fair value gap? No? You cannot? So basically you're looking for a long right here, as I see. So you see this as structure to upside, right? Like market maker buy model. What about market maker buy model? What kind of stage? Like second stage, first stage? And what you usually anticipate to get in the second stage of reaccumulation? What kind of information you would like to see for the second stage? I'm not saying like you, Ron. I just would like to see you support your idea. It aligns with lower lows. So you want to use high time frame PDR and 1 hour chart to enter 5-minute market maker buy model to aim for equal highs and liquidity right here. Did I get it right? Oh, London. Okay. Okay. Just let's talk about overall structure right here. Like imagine you see this chart, you have no idea what kind of time frame is this, what you want to see. Like, yeah, let's guys just imagine. We have no idea what kind of chart is this. Like, we don't know time frame, we have no idea what is this. Like, just seeing these candlesticks without considering, yeah, in case just no reason to talk about this. Let's talk about potential setup on CL because we don't really need to care what we want to trade. Imagine you see just these candlesticks. Once again, you don't need to care what kind of time frame is this. Like, let's say it's not 1 hour. Like, let's say this 1 minute chart. Like, what is your next step? So you see this as potential market maker buy model, right? So what you want to see right now? Just support the idea, guys. That's interesting to see. Yeah, I agree with you. Seems like market maker buy model right now. So what you want to see at this point? Yeah, if I want to see sell side liquidity sweep, yes, exactly. So we want to see like external to internal, back to external. Exactly. So, but normally when we're talking about second stage of free distribution, the accumulation, we would like to see second stage as time distortion. Who knows what is time distortion is? Does anyone know what is time distortion? Yeah, time distortion is consolidation, exactly. So this means if this part right here, like from here to here, wants to be time distortion, we should see consolidation with break below distortion low. So at this point, nothing to tell. Like right now, we see setup on 1 hour chart, but you were right about 5 minute chart. So at this point, if I want to see this as time distortion, and yes, we really see this as time distortion right now, right? Everyone can see this time distortion right now, like pretty much consolidation, right? So in our perfect world, we would like to see price taking out distortion low. At this point, we can consider, like, for example, this low as distortion low, because pretty much consolidation right here. And like price already took distortion low, but in order to trade distortion low, I don't really need to have order block, but I do need to have inversion for a gap for time distortion setup. And at this point, if you really want to look for long, we must invert this fair value gap right here. Once we can invert this fair value gap right here, yes, it's going to be second stage of reaccumulation. Make sense? So if I want to look for long, because I don't really mind as well, but right now I cannot use, for example, just it's just we don't have any order blocks yet as well. But yes, you're right, we're inside 1 hour fair value gap right now, and yes, seems like second stage of reaccumulation. And at this point, in order to trade this, I would like to wait for inversion fair value gap form to consider potential long idea. If it's not going to offer any inversion fair value gaps right now and continue going lower, where we can go lower, to take this low right here. That's it. That's my plan right now. Like, it wants to offer inversion of 5 minute chart right now based on this small consolidation to reverse to upside. Yeah. If it doesn't want to like offer right now, like simply continue going lower, I should keep in mind at this point my target is going to be equal lows right here. That's it. That's it. So I will keep my eyes on CL. So I don't really mind to trade this with you guys because I don't really care what I want to trade. But right now, just not really enough information for me to long CL. But I will wait, so no rush. Gold, here we are. Look at this gold, absolutely amazing gold trade. So I'm in short right here. Needs to drop even lower. Sell side liquidity seems nice target on gold. Right? So needs to be taken. That's going to be target. Okay, what we see London high taken on ES and NQ. Do we have first presented fair value gap already? That's first presented. Give me 1 second. That's very small fair value gap, so I don't need to count this, I believe. I'm going to count this one then. Oops. Just keep going higher. I mean, that's okay. Weekly open like 100 points away so far. So once again, looks bullish. Nothing invalidates market maker buy model on NQ yet. It's about to offer 30-minute sweep. Not yet. 14 minutes left on this candle. But if it wants to be sweep, I would say I would like to see the retracement at this point. Let's imagine it's going to be sweep at this point. I just don't know how far it can go, but maybe it's going to look like this. Like SMT, right? 1024. I'm not going to lie, like gold way easier today to trade, in my humble opinion. So what else do we have right here? Just order blocks, so pretty much balanced right here and right here. So weekly new week opening gap is going to be TP for today. Gold, like literally textbook today, guys. Like it was absolutely easiest trades on gold today. Absolutely happy I took short on gold today and locked my profit, like $700 on each account. Like not going to complain about this. Trading 6 micros, $15. Like took some profits before, but exactly. About yes. That's why I took short. I took short from here. But priced it traced to 15-minute fair value gap also offered another trap to sell side liquidity level. Never try. I highly recommend when NQ looks not easy to trade to switch CL, silver, gold. Like you don't need to stick to just one instrument. You can try different markets, which is like nothing wrong with this. Candlesticks are just candlesticks. It's going to be exactly the same everywhere. So yeah. What do you mean by extended data? What do you mean by this? Oh, let me guess. Right now, I was trying to open gold on Ninja Trader, and it just seems like no candlesticks there, right? Like empty chart, right? You see this? Probably because it has April contract. Or what kind of contract is that? It should be not June contract. I'm going to check right now which one it was. Yeah, it was June contract. Can you check contract? Because initially, when I was trying to trade gold, for some reason, Indian trader opened like April contract. I was like, what? I don't have candlesticks there. But then I switched to June contract, and here we are, candlesticks are here again. Yeah, try to switch contract. It should help. Because exactly same issue I had this morning. I was like, what is going on? What's wrong with this? What's wrong with these candles? I just like manually typed like MGC and I just continue like, we need June 25. I was like, okay. 25 and 25. Looks good here. Yeah, see, exactly the same issue that I had this morning. Exactly the same. But keep in mind, prefer to trade like micros. Just at MGCM. Exactly. So from what I see so far, both 5-minute candles have this flat candle. So basically doesn't have wick. I always recommend to have buffer on accounts. Like always, it's good to have buffer. So guys, today giveaway will start at 10:30 a.m. So overall for today, I'm more bullish because I was more bullish yesterday. I guess my issue was yesterday. Just I was a bit early, but I happy did not take any longs during AM session. Could be painful loss. I will send the form to enter giveaway, so don't worry. I will announce this. Okay, let's try to be focused right now because gold, in my opinion, play out. That's it. So this market maker sell model was to the sell side liquidity level. I didn't expect like lower. And in order to anticipate lower, what we need to have? Order block, right? So we need to close below this level right here. To anticipate continuation lower because it's going to be first sign of high time frame smart money reversal. Okay, about first present fair value gap. That's interesting point because right here it was pretty much small fair value gap, and as far as I know, when we have a small fair value gap, we don't need to count this as first presented fair value gap. I mean, we need to find like bigger range fair value gap, and at this point, I need to use this one. But on the yes, it was okay, like normal fair value gap. Make sense? Guys, am I right about this? About first percent fair value gap? I believe so, right? Maybe wrong, but I believe it's going to be like this. So I would like to see, yeah, first percent fair value gap, but a bit lower, if not right now, just later today, if it wants to like, just back to the stimulant order block. Because we're about to create sweep right here. We will see. You use small one on NQ. That's interesting point. Because yeah, it's sometimes tricky. It looks confusing, right? Sometimes, yeah, it's tricky, not going to lie. So on both yes and NQ, we took this flat candle on 5-minute chart. Oh, we have the flat candle. We have another flat candle right here. It's not flat candle. Flat candle means candle that doesn't have wick, doesn't have manipulation. June contract. Not going to check right now, but seems the same. I'm just trying to compare with M&Q June contract. So still trying to inspect this level right here, pretty much sweep so far. I just explained why I use this first presented fair value gap. Just said that, like. So we don't have any signs of reversal yet, at least on 5-minute chart. Let's see where 5-minute candle wants to close. And like most important to see what we can get on 4-hour chart. It's going to be inversion. As I said, game over. Like that's it. It's bullish sign. Where I would like to see at this point, new week opening gap, break above 50%, which is previous day high level. That's the plan. 256, what we have there. Before totally possible, so yeah. Sorry guys, I need to invert this chart because I'm blind. Guys, giveaway will start at 10:30 a.m. So I will send the form. You need to fill this form and I will announce winners at 11. Weekly open, not that far. I don't always trade in, I mean, yes, slower than in Q, but I trade like CL and Q, silver and gold. I don't know, like sometimes I trade ES, like, but it's it's not always because probably it's low. I remember the day when I switched from ES to NQ, it was extremely fast. I was like, no, it's hard to trade. But when I was trying to switch from NQ back on ES, it was like kind of slow. It looks like not tradable. I am kidding right now, but I felt like this. Where can you see breaker block? I cannot see any yet. Where's my remote control? Yeah. I didn't send an email yesterday because I was busy. I will send right after stream. I promise. I wasn't at home yesterday after stream. I will send today, guys. I promise. No, I will send today. Yeah, pretty much consolidation right now. But still, I cannot see signs of reversal to downside yet. Like, could be breaker. Okay, could be, yeah. Then yes, you're right. First presented from yesterday. Where is Monday? You want to tell me like we're trying to respect this, right? This one is right here. So, from yesterday. Would like to see, since we don't have 5 minutes, any signs of 5 minutes market reversal, still bullish in my opinion. Should break high again. Just choppy, a bit choppy in my opinion. Except these flat candles. Nice reaction from this flat candle so far. But new week opening gap seems good target. Can we invert this chart on a yes? This fair value gap because we don't have this on NQ. Because if we can invert, it can be time distortion setup. We actually inverted this right now. Let's see. We don't have any right here, but how many points away from? Oops. Like 20 points away from weekly open right now. Let's put some projections. Let's pull some projection. Hard to use this leg. Okay, maybe it's anyway. Not going to use this leg. So ideal at this point, maybe. I don't see a lot right now on NQ, but something interesting on yes. Let's see if we test and hold. Because we have SMT right now. Okay, I'm going to keep my eyes right now on this. Where's my futures, micros? So right now we have SMT. I don't really care about this SMT, but I would like to see if we made a trace to this inversion and hold this. Yes, I'm going to do giveaway today. I will start this in 28 minutes. So right now my plan is to see if we made a trace to this inversion and hold this. This point should offer something, I believe. Inversion right here. Let's see. So let's see if we hold this for inversion. So that can be long idea at this point. Cannot long right now. Not enough information yet. But if we made a trace, it's going to be like a better picture. Still have SMT. ES doesn't want to break above this high yet. So be stuck at the range between 1 and 1.5. Just as I said before, I'm not really bearish today. I would like to see new week opening gap. At least weekly open. Like bottom of new week opening gap. Yeah, we'll look for a long at this. Maybe today is a day when I need to trade, yes. Maybe today will be the day. At least if we made a trace. Who knows? So I see we have a value gap on 1 minute chart right here. 5 minute chart still seems bullish. So we'll use lower time frame signs of continuation. We will see. So I have planned to trade potentially, yes, but maybe in Q we'll see. Maybe in Q. So like it's in sync right now pretty much. Because I would say same plan for NQ. Retrace, potential retrace right here. We'll put my stop loss right here. So at the bottom of this parabolic gap, because we got flat candle. We're just going to go like the straight move up, which is also possible. So I will aim for weekly open. BPR right here, right? Let's see, it's about to offer desired retracement, so let's see what I want to pick to trade. Yes, looks good today after many days. Both doesn't look bad, so just from what I see so far, weekly open needs to be taken, needs to be tested. Never retraced. Okay, we are not going to give up yet. Maybe it will retrace still. Just another retracement we will try. I promise. A bit annoying, but okay. Daily volume balance above, if not mistaken, above new week opening gap. If it's not going to trace and set, but plan was right here. Just depends. Not in on NQ yet. Plan was retrace to parabolic gap on NQ right here, or the test of inversion right here. Okay. On the short on gold this morning. That's it. That's all I have. Even like, yeah, measuring gap projections lines up with new week opening gap. That's even better, you know? The only issue if they're going to just offer straight move up right now to that level, which is okay. Yeah, just a bit annoying right now. Yes, was so close to the test inversion. Well, Giveaway will start at 10:30 a.m. Oh, well. It is what it is. Looks like just straight move up to new week opening gap. Well, it's not tricky. It was obvious that we need to take a new weekly open. Okay, we will accept the situation. You're not alone, don't worry. Weekly open is like conservative target. If we can just pump higher than weekly open, it will be better, of course. Okay. Good move up right here. I mean, okay. Happens sometimes. Would be a good try, but it is what it is. I feel like this fair value gap needs to be tested. But the only issue right now, if it wants to retrace right down to fair value gap, should I long? Because where is it? Wait a minute. Key point right now. I wanted to say like where is it took this. One tick away? Are you serious? Are you serious? That's a joke. Classic one tick away. Everything I like. Both fail to take weekly open. Funny, but okay. It's kind of hard to see, but weekly open failed to be taken by one tick. Yeah, exactly. It could be so like obvious. No, market makers cannot do this like that easy. Oh, MNQ took this. I hate this situation because always when MNQ do something while NQ fails, I'm like, what should I trust? Obviously NQ. And NQ failed to take this level by one tick. Everything I like. Did not take this? I'm not going to check. I'm going to trust you. No, we expected to get in on ES or NQ from inversion or fair value gap. It failed to retrace. So far, like no long on NQ or ES. Didn't take this. That's amazing then. So right now we have the range between 2 and 2.5, and the range between 1 and 1.5 has this 1 minute fair value gap still. The question is, can we retrace to this fair value gap then? Also, I need to highlight OT, I believe. Let's see. Only reason why I would like to see continuation higher is fail to take weekly open. What level did we take? Like nothing. We won't have for our inversion fair value gap already. I believe this idea is still valid. Maybe not that like low right here. Let's put above 50%, but still seems valid in my opinion because failed to take weekly open. New week opening gap was target for this move up. It failed by 1 tick and it failed right here by like 3 points on a yes. Old high on a yes. But what happened on a Q? We still have volume imbalance higher. What else? So we will see. Let's try to stay away from predicting something right here. Let's see if we trace to fair value gap and it will offer the action. Because if so, we can try. Here's 5-minute chart. This means 5-minute order block will be created only by closure below this below this level right here. So as you can see, we don't have order block yet. What about 30-minute tip? Still nothing there. Okay. What about 1-hour chart? So far we have, seems like we have SMT. Giveaway will start in 13 minutes, guys. Be patient, please. Good morning. Didn't even take this OT yet. Guys, only reason why I want to consider looking for long is fail to take new weekly open. What I'm missing right now? Giveaway will start in 12 minutes. SPX. SPX tested 25% of yesterday RTH gap. That's 1-hour chart. What about 2-minute chart? As you can see, 2-minute chart not bearish yet. No, can you see my SPX chart? Oh yeah, you can see this. you serious? Don't be like this, please. Guys, once again, I'm going to repeat. Only reason why I would like to long is fail to take new week opening gap by 1 tick on Q. Annoying. Because I have lots of funded accounts, so I don't want to trade on the Apex. I mean, I have Apex on right now to copy this with a take profit. Don't be like this, please. Just what's the point for this reversal yet? So from what I see so far, it created 1 minute order block with SMT right here on both ES and Q. I guess this trade already doesn't make sense. Okay. Well. I believe it did not even retrace to 3 minute order block right here. Yes, did not retrace right here. Which lines up with OT at least. Painful. But okay. Yeah, still below new weekly open, and Q still below weekly open. The only issue, I guess, was this order block because it's not like perfect order block right here. I prefer to use sequence, but this candle right here makes this hard to use sequence. Once again, weekly open needs to be taken if it wants to retrace again for some magical reason. So I will try this then. They're not playing games. I'm probably missing something, that's the reason. We got more from premium to discount. Price expected equilibrium with formation. Just once again, hard to call this order block because of this candle right here. But seems like a tested order block, breaker block right here. Which is not really unicorn as well. Unicorn could be right here. So could be nice try. TP is weekly open. Well, Okay, Dasha, calm down, calm down. What is going on? Guys, what is going on? So many games right now. See this? Literally looks so stupid right now. They want to take this new week opening gap. At least Sunday open, weekly open. But let's play games. Everything we like. In 5 minutes, I will start giveaway. Well, we are not going to give up. Continue waiting. I will send the form for giveaway in 4 minutes. Right at 10:30. Let me, by the way, put this in the chat. Giveaway will start at 10:30 a.m. I will send the form in 4 minutes. I will send the form, yes, in 4 minutes. So giveaway will start at 10:30 and I will announce winner at 11. So good luck, guys. Yes, good luck. Insane games right now. Yeah, this week is week of giveaways. I will do lots of different giveaways. I'm going to check 5-minute chart real quick. What is going on a 5-minute chart? We don't have any order blocks on 5-minute chart to downside yet. Maybe this is me, but Monday was IM session was tricky, and right now so many games right now. Maybe this is me. Maybe I don't see something, but I really don't see something. I guess. Participate. I'm going to send the form. Just fill this form, and that's it. You can participate only if you subscribe to my channel, and only one entry. If you're going to enter twice, we are not going to count you. It's not going to count as an entry. Yesterday PM session was way better. So yeah, guys, it's 2 minutes left. Let's put giveaway in the chat so I see how many people wants to enter today. While we are waiting for something to happen. Everyone can participate in giveaway. So I'm going to send the form. You need to fill this form. And right after this, you will get your entry. Yeah, my target is weekly open. It remains the same because right here it failed by 1 tick. So I will continue moving this to the right. Oops, not this one. But this one. Just trying to stick to this plan because this plan seems okay to me because it can be just unicorn setup right here. Also OT. No interest in lower than the fair value gap. So if, let's say, price wants to break below fair value gap, no interest in this long. But from this fair value gap and breaker block, yes, to weekly open. Especially like stop loss is 40 points, even less, I believe. Like 38 points. Let's invert chart real quick. Maybe we're missing something. No, we're not missing something. I'm going to extend this inversion fair value gap on ES as well. Once again, I will lose interest in longing once price going to break below this inversion, not inversion yet, fair value gap. Because it's not going to be unicorn in my opinion. Insane games right now. Never seen that before. I mean, I saw it, but just in my opinion, target on NQ remains so it's the same and so obvious right now, which is weekly open, which failed to be taken by one tick. Oh, guys, I'm going to send the form right now to enter giveaway. And I'm going to pin this. So guys, in order to enter giveaway, to get a chance to win one 50K Take Profit Trader account. Sorry guys, I'm going to spam you right now. Here's the form. Just click and enter this giveaway. Stuck at 10 open so far. Cement inversion for volume gap. It doesn't really look bad. Yes, I will announce winner at 11. No, just click. It's the same link. Click any link you like. Yeah, no problem. Take Profit Trader for today, guys. No, activation fee, like no activation fee. It's going to be completely free for you. So once you highly recommend to pass for 1 month because it's going to be just free access for 1 month. If you can pass for 1 month, it's like 50K. You need to like earn $8,000, which is not a big deal. So once you can earn this money, you don't need to pay an activation fee. That's it. Yeah, just fill the form. Yes. That's unicorn setup right here. Are you in Russia? By the way, country where I'm from also restricted. Ready? Okay, guys, good luck. It's unfair. I agree with you. So good luck, guys. Let's check gold real quick because absolutely solid reversal. So on gold, what I like so far is this candle right here. It's not order block yet. You need to have order block right here, which will confirm change in the state of delivery. What else do we have right here? Not perfect sweep, but it's sweep. On 30-minute chart, what we have on 3-minute chart then? We don't have order block yet. Okay. Not great. About this order block right here. Just consider this a solid reaction so far. Yeah, I would say looks. Let me delete this. I like a reversal from sell side liquidity because market maker sell model completed. So right now I'm going to keep my eyes on some liquidity levels right here. Looking for order block formation because the problem right now is we don't have order blocks yet, right? Right here and right here. It's going to be the same with 15-minute order block, right? We don't have inversion yet. I mean, inversion also can work. We don't have inversion yet. Yeah, let's keep our eyes on this. Today I took the short on gold from here. I got $15 trade. It was pre-market short at 8:30 a.m., even like 8:27 a.m. So I made my money for today, but I don't mind to take more trades because that trade was fast, like less than 5 minutes. I need more emotions. I'm not from Russia, by the way, guys, if you're asking me for this. Oh yeah, I'm going to give away different prop firms this week. Futures prop firms, don't worry. Right now, just disappointed with failed to retest inversion for Volga, but seems like this SMT trying to hold. This order block looks absolutely hard for me because of this candle. It looks like more down close candle. This means I don't need to count this as order block. But yes, trying to respect this level. It's annoying. Market stuck inside consolidation since 9:50 a.m. It doesn't want. See these games, guys? Like, what's the point not to take weekly open? Oh, just fill the form if you already have account. I really don't understand the reason with these games. Like, weekly open seems absolutely obvious target. They're playing games, doesn't want to retrace, doesn't want to break below consolidation to offer move higher, which will be ideal for me to enter long. Lots of games right now. Even order block, not really order block. Order block based on like original idea is going to be right here. So it's right at this weekly open. Well. I don't need to watch this anymore. Settings? Are you serious? You can just fill the form if you already have account. Don't worry. Extremely annoying, but it's okay. So you need to trade this for 5 days at least. They have 50% consistency rule, like top step. So basically, you cannot pass this for 1 day. I mean, you can, but you need to earn another $3,000 next day. So try to take this slow. So you need to trade 5 days. So you can divide like $3,000 by 5. So you need to make like $600 for 1 day. Just highly recommend to do this. Once you pass this, you don't need to pay any activation fee. It's going to be completely free for you. So I'm a US citizen already, so I'm not restricted from any prop firms, futures prop firms. But originally from Belarus, so with my Belarusian passport, I cannot participate in this. So since you need to make $600, I'm sorry guys, $600, so you can risk like $300, right? So you can trade like 5 micros. So yeah, it's going to be free for you guys. So once again, you are not going to have activation fee. Even if, for example, you want to get take profit traders, they have like sale right now, they have 30% sale. You will not have activation fee as well. So you just need to pay like price for evaluation with plus 30% off, and it's not going to have activation fee. Make sense? So that's why I decided to give away like take profit trader, because I know like lots of people cannot afford pay activation fee. So it's going to be like you're going to pass, you don't need to pay activation fee. Makes sense, right? Exactly the same works with my funded futures. Also, TradingView has this option. Not every single account, but I believe advanced. So I'm not going to give up. So we may actually get trade. Just for me, no reason look for this unicorn anymore, because my target was weekly open. It will be good right after 11. We will see. Still keeping my eyes on gold in case it wants to offer order block. No, you just need to create account. Just sign up with email. Create account, password, that's it. You don't need to buy anything. Just create account. It's completely free. So to enter this giveaway, and once you, for example, want the account, it's going to be free for you from the very beginning. Once again, no activation fee. Take Profit Trader as well as my funded futures doesn't have activation fee at all. Cannot create account? Try using another browser. Probably Google Chrome has some problem. Try to use another one just to try. Okay, based on this, so we can see like if you're going to get like, let's imagine you failed to, you did not win in this giveaway. Let's say Take Profit Trader has 30% off, so your account you will cost like $119. VPN, maybe you can try. So $119. So all you need to pay is 119. So like 120, right? That's it. Also, guys, this week I'm going to give away 40%. Yeah, it's even better. Guys, listen careful. This week I'm going to give away 20 my funded futures accounts, starter plan accounts. 20 accounts. So today is 10. Next giveaway is going to be 20 my funded futures accounts, 50K starter plan. So this means you're not going to pay any activation fee as well. So today I'm going to give away Take Profit Trader, 10 accounts. Next day I'm going to give away my funded futures. And guys, don't forget to subscribe because this giveaway only for subscribers. And last giveaway for this week is going to be Apex accounts. I'm going to do 10 Apex accounts giveaway. 10 accounts. So basically 10 accounts today, 20 my funded futures accounts, and 10 Apex accounts. So lots of accounts for this a week. So guys, don't forget to subscribe and press bell button because you don't want to miss this. Today is Take Profit Trader, exactly. Next day is going to be my 20 my funded futures accounts. Okay, what we see so far, let's come back to price action. So I put this manipulation leg. So what we have, price actually trades to the range between 2 and 2.5. As you can see, was trying to play games right here, like pretty much consolidation. So did not retrace to the range that I expected to get. Actually, nope, did not retrace. So if it wants to be straight move up, it will be 2 standard deviation, which lines up with previous day high level. Not good for me, but who cares? Yeah, a bit painful to see this move up. So we don't really need to look for order block to look for short, but we need to look for high time frame level, which can be liquidity level, PDA, any level, but on high time frame and premium. So I trade with rhythmic connection on Intraday, so I have a little bit different option to check my performance. So if you want today and I'm going to win tomorrow, so it's going to be fair because it's random selection. I mean, I want to execute based on order block, sometimes unicorn setups. The only issue was, I guess, for me, I still kind of I expect to get like the retracement right here, which was 3-minute order block as well, which never was tested. So still a bit like tricky for me. So I use standard deviation from swing points, and swing point is going to be swing high or swing low. So I don't need to use just bodies. Yes, I'm going to do giveaway at 11, but it doesn't mean like we are going to stop trading. Yeah, breaker was nice. Anyway, it is what it is. So 15-minute chart looks extremely bullish right now. 5-minute chart not that perfect as 15-minute chart, but 1-hour chart looks like straight move up so far. Slowly going to forced deviation 4 and 1-hour volume imbalance. So what I would like to anticipate, probably something like this. Where is my previous day high level? Yeah, right here. That's all I can anticipate, guys. That's strange. Maybe you already have account. Let's make it a little bit darker. Hard to see something. I mean, of course, we could reverse from breaker block. So I'm not going to say like it was bad setup. You don't need to take this. Of course not. So we don't have market structure shift yet. Oops, 5-minute chart. So we don't have the closure. It's not market structure shift yet. Let's chase to this inversion so far. Five-minute chart just offered sweep right here. Just guys, be careful right now with trying to pick that up. Gold still 0 signals for me to long. Sometimes keywords, sometimes. I call this luck. You were lucky. No market structure shift yet. Both offered just sweep. Unfortunately. I mean, right now we are at the zone where we can consider potential retracement reversal, probably retracement, because previous day high is still higher. But if you're looking for short at this retracement, right now I cannot see any signs yet. I mean, BPR on 1-minute chart, that's it. That's it. Just for now. No momentum to downside, absolutely nothing, still bullish. Again, failed to retrace the order block. But it traces to this 5-minute fair value gap and 5-minute order block right here. You need to see some sort of displacement to downside. Displacement. So displacement equals speed. It will offer like momentum to downside. But if I want to look for short, it will be to this fair value gap only. So I don't want to expect lower yet. Right now, nothing tells me right now to it's too short. 30-minute chart. Maybe we have SMT. No, nothing. Because from what I see so far, every single bullish PD rate is expected, especially on 5-minute chart. Every single one is expected. If you have accounts, so just fill the form. Yeah, so far I have just one trade, and it was short on gold. Nothing on NQ. Want to long, but from here, unfortunately, did not retrace where I wanted. But once again, who cares where I want what I want? Just want to long from here. It was entry point for me to aim for weekly open. Never retraced. Exactly same on ES. I was looking for long from inversion for a value gap. I could actually enter right here if price wants like to retrace to this failed. So $60 points away from this fair value gap to previous day high level. I don't want to say it's bad price action. It's good price action. We were bullish today, so what do you want to see? Like, of course, price needs to retrace to every single bullish P0 and continue going higher. No, you don't need to create new account. Just fill the form. That's strange why you cannot create account. That's strange. Never retrace to the OT then. If you already have account, you don't need to create new account. Just fill the form. Guys, I will give you 2 more minutes because I'm going to announce winner in 2 minutes. So let me see how many entries we have. Oh, a lot. 2 more minutes, guys, to enter giveaway. I will announce winner in 2 minutes. Still going to keep my eyes on gold. A bit slow right now. The country might be restricted. So if you just click on form, you will see the link for restricted countries. Just click, and if you cannot see your country right there, then it's not restricted. Oh yeah, I mean, sometimes I trade euro. Sometimes I cannot say like I trade this like often because it's not true, but I do trade them. Also, I prefer to trade like gold, which is also great. CL, silver, so also good instrument. Never actually tried to trade platinum, so maybe it's nice. Never even try this. What's the symbol for this? I'm going to check. Thank you. Oh, interesting chart, by the way. 15 chart looks clean. Okay, I will. It's good instrument to trade. I will keep my eyes on this then. Okay. Okay. So next giveaway, which is going to be this week. It's like the week of giveaways. I'm going to do giveaway of my funded futures accounts, which also doesn't have activation fee. 20 my funded futures accounts, 50K starter plan, and 10 Epix accounts. With Epix accounts, you can pick any accounts you like. Edit mix, trade away, 25K, 50K, 75K, any size you like. Just tell me what kind of size you like. So I will do 10 Epix accounts. Once again, any size you like, if you want, and 20 of my funded futures accounts. That's for this week. I believe I actually prepared the list. Let me check. Yeah. Yesterday was absolutely amazing giveaway. It was TradeZella. What size you like? I mean, I trade 50K. That's what I trade. If you like I don't know, like 150K, you can pick 150K. Okay, guys, let's do giveaway. It's time for giveaway. Let me. Higher. Okay. Empty list right here. It's time for giveaway. I see coming crystal ball. That's it, guys. And that's it. So we have, I'm not going to show you any emails because it's like privacy. So we have 648 entries. That's crazy, guys. And first winner. I'm not going to pick any other winners, guys. That's it. 648. Generate. First winner is going to just screenshot immediately. Oh, we have 10 actually. Okay. First. Let's pick numbers, then I'm going to give you the name. Next number is 322. So it's easier for everyone to see who's going to win. 195. 10 accounts for giveaway. Sorry, guys, I don't read the chat right now. Give me 1 second. Come on, what was my mouse? $260. It must be perfect. Let me align this. Next winner is I don't read the chat, guys. Don't ask me. We already have 6 winners. Next one is yeah, I'm going to like put the name next to this number. Give me 1 second. $81. It's 8. 2 more. Oh, 602. Big number. Okay. And last one is 361. 361. We don't have this number yet. Yeah. I was like, I saw this number already. Okay. And that's the last one. Okay, let's find the names. Where is my form? I'm going to just bring this right here. Okay. $167 is actually I would like to show you like how I pick this. So it's just going to hide emails. So it's like privacy. Black one. Okay, guys, let's pick together so it's fair, I guess. So everyone can see this. So let's do first winner. First winner 167. Let me hide my camera. 167. So the first person is congratulations. I don't know who it is, but congratulations. Do we have this guy right here? Oh, I see. Okay. Next one is 322. Well, 322 is... Thanks. Okay. You're welcome. Yes, like this. Next winner is right here. Congratulations, our second winner. Do we have this guy right here? It was your number. What do you mean? One, okay. Maybe she has crystal ball. Okay, 195. 95 is right here. Congratulations. Do we have this guy right here? Okay, next 569. Everything is fair. See, it's random selection. Sorry, guys, I know I'm slow. 569. Where is this guy? Hello, hello. It's Lisa. Congratulations. No, not right here. Our first winner. Not win. I'm so sorry. You will try tomorrow. 260. $260. Here's our another winner. Huge. Okay, 551. $551 is right here. Right. Another winner. Another winner is T13. Win. Oh, congratulations. So let's move right here. 81. Here's our another winner. So you guys, I will read the chat in a couple of minutes. Let's finish with giveaways. Do we have winners right here? I cannot see any, guys. Okay, 602. Like scroll all the way down. Here's another guy. Or girl, I don't know. And last one. Oh, he was 60. I'm so sorry. 361. And last winner for today. So guys, announced every single winner. So maybe you can see your name right here. Congratulations. Oh, congratulations, Martin. So everything's fair. So it was random selection. I show the names. Let me. Tomorrow I will do giveaway of 20 My Funded Teachers accounts. So if you fail to win today, so you will try tomorrow. So, congratulations, guys. Any other questions? Oh, by the way, you're right about new random selection. So guys, here's the winners. I will send you email with your codes to get free account. It's going to be 50K account. So you will get coupon code and just at checkout enter this coupon code. Congratulations, everyone. Here's the winners for 50K Take Profit Trader evals. So guys, that's it for today. Price close to the previous day high level. So yeah, honestly, not bad move up. Maybe a bit slow, but it's okay. Guys, don't worry. You will try to enter new giveaway tomorrow. Yeah. So finishing this day with one trade on gold for pre-market trade. I already showed this before. $15 trade on gold, just for short. It was kind of obvious short. That's all I saw. That's what I like. That's what I have. You can see your name. It's okay. Maybe you will win tomorrow. I hope so. Don't worry. I never ever won any giveaways in my life. I'm just lucky, I believe. So from this fair value gap, like 60 points to previous day high level. Don't worry, guys. You can try tomorrow. Tomorrow will be 2050. Maybe not tomorrow. You will see what is going to be tomorrow. Tomorrow is an interesting day. Okay, guys, I will see you, I hope tomorrow, but I will announce something on Twitter today. So, guys, you can subscribe to my Twitter, so I will announce something today there, just later. Where is my socials? Yeah. You know, how do you know this? How do you know this? Where it was announced? It was announced somewhere? Tell me, I need to know. It was announced somewhere? Oh, yeah. Yeah, tomorrow I'm going to be on my Funded Search TV. Yeah, exactly. They said that. Okay. Yeah, tomorrow, guys, I'm going to be on my Funded Features TV at 10 a.m. So join me there. So, guys, once again, tomorrow I'm going to be on my Funded Futures TV. So subscribe to their channel because I will be live at 10 a.m. there. Yeah, they invited me. So I can send the link for the channel because I will be live there. Subscribe. I will get my mom to enter. Okay. It looks scam. Okay, guys. Once again, tomorrow at 10 a.m. I'm going to be on my Funded Futures TV. Join me there. We will try to kill there tomorrow because I hope to get expansion tomorrow, like with the reversal profile. At least I hope. Right now, yes, I'm at forced in deviation, so I hope to get retracement soon. Maybe lunch, maybe PM. Not sure yet. But guys, thank you so much for joining me, for participating in giveaways. I'm going to have lots of new lessons soon, lots of new giveaways. So don't forget to subscribe. So I hope like lots of my subscribers like always support me. So honestly, I never expected this, because I remember the day when I decided to start streaming on YouTube, and lots of people told me like, you're going to get lots of hate. But in reality, for 5 months, nope, nothing. Like lots of people support me, like lots of. Yeah, my fun teachers TV at 10 a.m. tomorrow, guys. I will see you there. Bye bye. But we will do giveaway with my fun teachers accounts as well, so don't worry. So guys, thank you for supporting me, like always. Love you so much. Don't be sad if you fail to will giveaway today. We will try again this week, so it's not last chance. It's not last giveaway in this world. See you tomorrow, guys.